Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a non-profit website with WordPress, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining your non-profit's purpose and audience. This clarity will guide your website's design and content. Next, choose a memorable domain name that reflects your organization. Register the domain through a reputable registrar. Select a hosting provider that supports WordPress installations. Make sure the host offers reliable uptime and technical support. Once you've set up your hosting, install WordPress through your hosting control panel. Now, log into your new WordPress dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and available options. Choose a responsive theme that aligns with your nonprofit's mission. Free and premium WordPress themes designed for nonprofits are widely available. After selecting a theme, install and activate it through the dashboard. Customize your theme by modifying colors, fonts, and layout settings to match your branding. Create essential pages such as Home, About Us, Programs, and Contact. Consider adding a blog section to share updates, success stories, and news. Utilize a drag-and-drop page builder if your theme supports it for easier layout adjustments. Add high-quality images and videos to engage your visitors effectively. Incorporate calls to action to encourage donations and volunteer sign-ups. Set up a donation plugin to facilitate online contributions securely. Popular choices include GiveWP and WooCommerce for nonprofits. Integrate social media links to connect with supporters on various platforms. Ensure that your website is mobile-friendly for users on smartphones and tablets. Test your website's functionality across different devices and browsers. Install essential plugins for SEO, security, and performance optimization. Yoast SEO can help you improve your site's visibility on search engines. Create a contact form to allow visitors to easily reach out. Plugins like Contact Form 7 or WP Forms can streamline this process. Once your pages are filled with content, preview the site to check everything looks good. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.